Can't log into Roblox because you forgot the password and can't access your email? Don't stress, in this video, I'll show you how you can recover your Roblox account without the password or email. Let's begin. Solution 1. First, use your linked phone number to reset the password. For this, go to this link with the browser of your choice. Don't worry, I'll leave the link in the video description below. Now, while you're in the password tab, click on Use Phone Number to reset password. Then select your country from the drop-down menu here. Next, enter your phone number linked to your account and click on Submit. Then you'll receive a 6-digit code. Just copy and paste it here and you'll see this page. Now type in a new password in both of these boxes and click on Submit. Now your password will be changed and you'll be logged into Roblox instantly. Solution 2. However, if you don't have any phone number linked to your address, try contacting Roblox support team. To do this, go to roblox.com/support. Don't worry, I'll leave the link in the video description below. Now enter your birthday and click on Next. Then enter your username. Then enter your parent or guardian's email address in both of these boxes. Now click here and select PC from the drop-down menu. After that, select the help category. For us, it should be account hacked or can't log in. Then choose forgot password from the next box. Lastly, type in the issue in the field below and click on Submit. Next, you'll need to solve a puzzle. Once you're finished, your request will be noted and they'll reach out to you to help with the issue. So guys, that's how you recover your Roblox account without an email address or password. Now, if the video was helpful, please click the like button. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching!